Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online using this free tool. This is fast and easy method to earn passive income. You can start making money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. A perfect strategy for beginners. So make sure not to miss any part of this video. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. Go to Latium.org to start watching the video. We will be able to make money using this platform with little to no work and simply a few tabs on our screens or mouse clicks. On the Latium main page, hover your mouse over to the Explore Pages button and click it. You'll be taken to this page after clicking, which lists all of the platform's featured projects. As you can see, the financial stakes in each project are enormous. You may make thousands of dollars with just one job. The best part is that there are literally thousands of projects to choose from, ensuring that you will discover something you enjoy. The platform's attractiveness is that it can be accessed from any location on the planet. It's a fantastic opportunity for folks to create their own business and provide for their own and their loved ones' needs. Imagine being able to close a single large payoff project. It would have a significant impact on your life. You can examine all of the categories accessible on this platform by returning to the Explore Projects page. To name a few, you have this category, and so on. Now, in order to save you time, I'll give you some specific recommendations on how to focus this strategy so that you may earn enough money to turn it into a source of income. So, for the sake of profit, let's only focus on this one category, graphics and design. When you choose graphics and design, you'll be taken to a web page that shows all of the projects in this area. Don't worry, technical knowledge isn't required. You won't need a large social media following or a long CV to demonstrate your life accomplishments, and you won't need technological skills for the strategy to work because, as I previously indicated, it won't take much effort from you. All you have to do to generate money is click and tap buttons. When you return to the graphics and designs page, you'll notice that the majority of the projects are really profitable. Think about how much money you could make and how much better your life would be if you completed these projects. You could buy a house, a car, and whatever else you desire with this kind of money. You could be able to achieve financial independence, and the possibilities are endless, as I previously stated. Let us take advantage of this opportunity now that we have it. The next step is to figure out how to put these services to work in order to make money. I'll walk you through it step by step right now. Let's go on to this project, which is a service requested by a client that requires a one-of-a-kind logo designed from the ground up. To learn more about the project, click on the title. You'll be taken to a page where you can view the project's reward offer as well as the currency in which you'll be paid. On the project page, you'll find instructions on how to approach the project and offer the best possible outcome for the client. In this case, the buyer is looking for a logo that is exactly what he or she wants for his or her new business. You won't be studying how to make a specific design in depth, so don't worry. Simply go to freelogodesign.org, a service that instantly provides users with free logo design. They have a lot of templates for Latium projects, as you can see. But first, because I'm feeling charitable today, I'll show you another website where you can optimize your revenue just with few clicks. Once again, the procedure will be as simple as pie. I am being reimbursed for putting in a very little effort as promised. Now, let me show you how to create a logo using this platform. First, you'll need to get some information from the client. You'll need their full company name as well as the category that the company is involved in. Now, let's go back to the project page we opened a while ago and look at the company name. Just copy and paste the company name onto the free logo design box as the category of the company. You'll see that in the project page as well. So just input it over here. Again, to design a logo, first input the company name and the category it's related to. After inputting both text boxes, just click on Get Started. Upon clicking Get Started, you'll be redirected to a page of logo examples. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. You'll have hundreds of designs to show your client with just a few mouse clicks. You may just explore the numerous logos to find one that you think the customer would enjoy. And if the customer doesn't like the one you sent, you can simply choose another from the list. Here, you'll find a few slew of logos to send to your client. Simply select the logo you want for your customer to be taken to this page, where you can further customize the design to make it more appealing to the client. We can employ technology to personalize the logo and make it more appealing to the client. You may resize your logo or image, add text, modify the font and color scheme, and drag photographs. I'd like to introduce you to another online money-making site while you're still here. In a nutshell, the same strategy may be applied to getting started on Fiverr.com, a freelancing marketplace where people can sell their skills. Simply type logo design into the search box to be taken to their list of active projects. As you can see, these service providers make a substantial profit. Take a look at how many reviews they've gotten thus far. There are hundreds of them, meaning that more people have used their services. You may easily generate money by going to freelogodesign.org and submitting your work to clients who pay well to supplement your income. It is possible to use both Latium and Fiverr. Overall, this is a terrific new method that our online moneymaker newbies can pick up in a matter of minutes. You can now make money in an instant and do so without having any technology skills. You only need your fingertips to click on your mouse or phone. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money online using this free tool. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.